call you Spirit.
I really love this movie.
It's so beautiful.
It's lots of fun.
And it's inspiring to see.
This is a story about a young girl learning about herself and seeing who she truly is.
She's come from a place that's manicured and tame, and she goes to a place that's absolutely wild and meets this wild horse.
Spirit, this is a wild one.
Lucky's respect and love for Spirit, it is everything. They trust each other and get through things together.
Let's go get help. Lucky has been searching for this feeling of belonging, and she finds it. She finds her tribe that supports her no matter what, that loves her no matter what. Lucky embodies a strength that a lot of us spend a whole lifetime trying to find.
Trust me. It's in your heart to run free. It's in mine, too.
This film's emotional, it's exciting, and it's big.
We'll get your family back, Spirit.
Go!